Hello, welcome to another new video, and today we will talk about Threads app. What is Threads app? Threads is an app created by Instagram team powered by Meta. It is basically a text sharing app, almost looks a lot like Twitter. You may know there is a battle going on between Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg over technology. Threads is Mark Zuckerberg's Meta company. Currently, people have to face some difficulties due to some limitation using Twitter. For example, Twitter has given us post limit of 280 characters unless you have to blue sign subscription from Twitter, where Threads are offering us up to 500 characters. So people are now welcoming Threads very well. Here is Threads official website. It looks very nice and cool. Threads are now available in only iOS and Android device. Now we see how to use Threads. Let's go. First of all, you need to go to Play Store, then type Threads and search. Now install the app. You must be logged into Instagram to use the Threads app, because Threads app has to log in with Instagram account. Now open Threads app. The app is opening. Log in with your Instagram account. Now here you need to input some information from Instagram. So you can add profile picture, import from Instagram, two options available. You can also add bio or some links, website or other social media links. Now click import from Instagram. Okay. Here is some Threads account suggesting you can follow. Here is some information about Threads. Now click join Threads. Finally, we are in Threads homepage interface. It is really similar to Twitter. So you can see you can react, so you can comment. It is really very fast and cool interface. You can repost, you can quote. There is so many options available here. There is an option for shares and follow people. You can write threads up to 500 characters, which will be beat Twitter. Here is the option for to see your all activity, replies, mention, verified, etc. So here is profile interface. So here is the setting option, edit profile. So many options. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.